So that would be this guy right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's apply a little bit more heat. Okay, I think it's gonna go out now. Yeah, I think it's gonna go out. Let me see. Yeah, this guy's coming out. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, this one is burned completely, and I'm gonna replace this capacitor, which is right there. You can see the burn marks as well. So and this is gonna be the second one, so not this one, this guy right there. 1, and come on, 2. I think it should come out now. Come on. It's a little bit of glue on the other side, but I think we got it all out.